So today what I'm going to show you is how to make a delicious, delicious golden chocolate chip cookie. And it just happens to be gluten-free too. So I'm going to walk you through all the ingredients. They're very easy, simple, you can find them in the store, nothing crazy. So I'm going to have all the measurements below in the description box. So we've got baking powder, tapioca flour. This is my vanilla, homemade vanilla, maple syrup, and almond flour. That is it. And lastly, if you want, you can add chocolate chips as well. These are vegan, and I'll put the link to where I get these below. But it's super easy, super simple. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got our almond flour right here, and we're just gonna mix all of our dry ingredients. Here's our tapioca flour, our baking powder, and we're gonna mix those together. And that's it for the dry ingredients. And then we're gonna make a little well in the middle, and we're gonna add the maple syrup. And we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. And that is it. Lastly, we're going to add the chocolate chips, but first we want to mix this together. Now, not all almond flours are created equal. This one I happen to get at Costco, but some are finer than others. So just keep that in mind. You want your consistency to be just like this, very pasty. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. And I add about a handful of chocolate chips. Okay, we're gonna bake them. Okay, so now we're gonna put them in our baking dish, and I've just lined this with some paper, parchment paper. And we're gonna just put these like this. Now, if you choose to, you can wet your finger and push them down, but with the baking, they're gonna spread. Okay, so now we're going to take these and put these in a preheated 350-degree oven, and I just happen to have it on convection, and we're going to bake it for between 15 and 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. We like our cookies a little crispy. And here they are. And I'm going to put them here and let them sit for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to transfer them onto the cooling rack. Okay, so the cookies are ready. The house smells delicious. They're still warm. And this is them. The more they sit out and cool down, the crispier and chewier they get. Now, we have done something very dangerous with these cookies. We have made them like s'mores. So we've done the marshmallows and we've smushed, you know, the marshmallows in between. And it has been just delicious. I highly recommend it. But I hope you enjoy the cookie recipe, and thanks for watching.